Today, Bob Moore Construction will guide you through the process behind continuous flight augering, or CFA piles, also known as Auger Cast Piles. The process begins with a dynamic weight test on temporary piles. Large weights, such as the one seen here, are placed on top of the test pile. This process ensures the total weight capacity and overall integrity of the pile. Next, a concrete pump is connected via hose to the hollow stem auger, and drilling may begin. Auger cast piles are installed by drilling a hollow stemmed auger into the ground, to a predetermined depth. When the depth is reached, concrete is pumped through the hollow stem to fill the cavity as the auger is carefully removed. Teams must work to keep auger blades clean and clear of concrete and soil buildup, to maximize effectiveness. Finally, a reinforcing rebar cage is placed in the concrete and the pile is then capped.
While popular in Great Britain for more than 50 years, Auger cast piles have not been in common use in the United States. In recent years, Auger cast piles have gained popularity in the US due to its quick installation, as well as structural benefits.